Georgia Department of Public Health has confirmed there's an additional 6 overdoses in Middle Georgia in the last 24 hours. The department believes it's related to the mysterious yellow pill that's labeled as Percocet. 41 NBC's Edna Ruiz joins us in the studio. She spoke to an investigator from the Bibb County Sheriff's Office to get a closer look at this dangerous drug.
The Bibb County Sheriff's Office recently got a hold of the drug they think is linked to several overdoses in the past few days. Yesterday, we told you 4 people have died from overdosing and others were hospitalized. Today, I spoke to a Bibb County drug investigator about what you need to know about this drug.
They definitely need to know that it's not going to have the effect that is desired.
Some people who are looking to get a quick high could get more than they bargained for.
We've had several overdoses. We were able to recover what we believe is some of the pills that came from a bad batch of pills.
Pills people thought were Percocet. Navicent Health's Chief Medical Officer Chris Hendry announced on Tuesday patients who overdosed bought these pills off the streets.
We do see illicit drugs, quite a bit on the streets of Macon, but what makes this different is that people, I think in some cases the users, thought they were buying a legitimate pill.
Lieutenant Michael Henry and the Sheriff's Office are trying to track down the source of the pills. They don't know what's in the pills yet, but they do know what they look like. They're
actually pretty close, but the thing that I guess stood out for the investigators is the stamp on the pill is at an angle, and the stamping does not appear to be the same.
Doctors have used Narcan to counteract the effects of the drug, but it doesn't always work. Navicent Health hasn't said if more overdosed patients have come through the hospital since Tuesday, but they told us. This is an ongoing investigation that continues to develop. Area healthcare providers, including Navicent Health EMS, physicians, and clinicians, remain attentive for patients exhibiting symptoms of this drug.
Any Percocet pill on the street, I would say that they need to be cautious.
The Sheriff's Office is still investigating with the help of the GBI, DEA, and the FBI to track down on this. In the meantime, officials are asking you to be aware.
Investigators won't say how exactly they got a hold of these pills, but they are being tested to see what's in them. Lieutenant Henry says it'll probably take about a few days to get the results back. He also says first responders are carrying Narcan and suggests if you know anyone abusing opioids to buy a box of Narcan. You can get at your local drugstore. He says the main priority is to make sure the number of deaths don't go up.
Thank you, Edna. If you have any information about this drug, the Sheriff's Office is asking you to come forward. There won't be any legal consequences. They just want to put an end to this. You can contact a drug hotline at 803-1027 or the Bibb County Sheriff's Office at 751-7500.